Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ever wondered how to make your designs pop using Canva's simple tools? Click Create, then choose Custom Size from the menu. Enter 300 for width and 300 for height to set your canvas dimensions. Next, add elements to your project for customization. Select the shapes you want to use, or type the name of the shape directly to search. Next, locate the Frame section in the sidebar. Browse through the available frame options until you find one that suits your project. Select your preferred frame by clicking on it, and it will be added to your canvas automatically for further customization. We'll select this option to use it. This choice will guide us through the next steps in the process. Next, locate the Elements section in the sidebar to access and manage your website's components. To make the image larger, select it by clicking once. Then, hover over a corner handle until you see the double-sided arrow cursor. Click and drag outward to increase the size. Release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the new dimensions of your image. Select the area where you want to add color. Choose your desired color from the palette, then apply it to the selected area to customize your design with the new color. Click on Add Image to start creating a custom remote background. Select the image you want to use from your computer. After uploading the image, choose the option Create Remote Background. Your selected image will now be set as the remote background. Repeat these steps if you'd like to create additional remote backgrounds using different images. Select the object you want to move by clicking on it. Once it's selected, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to reposition the object. Each press of the arrow keys will nudge the object in that direction, allowing for precise adjustments to its placement on the screen. Now you can add elements to your project. To do this, go to the toolbar and select the Elements option. Choose the element you want, then click to add it to your workspace. Adjust its size and position as needed. To begin, follow these steps. First, locate the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on the File option, then select New Project from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear. Enter the desired project name and choose a save location on your computer. After that, click Create to initialize the project. Once your new project opens, check the Workspace panel on the left to confirm your files are visible. You're now ready to start working on your project. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose this option from the list, and your file will be downloaded as a PNG to your device. Now you can make awesome pop-up effects in Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.